Hi, and welcome to The Well-Educated Artist. You know what? Sometimes pour paintings just don't go the way you plan them to. And I have a couple of videos for you that definitely did not go the way I anticipated. So check these out and see what you think they look like in the end. Okay, so there you have it. A couple of paintings that really did not turn out the way that I thought they would. And sometimes yours won't either. Sometimes it's all about the process, and that's okay. It's the joy of poi painting. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like and subscribe. See you next time.